and includes indicators in the multi-information display, or MID, that tell you when the system is on and what speed is set. You can use cruise control to help you drive at a set speed above 25 miles per hour without pressing on the accelerator pedal. To activate the system, press the on-off button on the end of the stalk. The cruise control icon will appear in the instrument display. Then accelerate or decelerate to your intended speed, and press the stalk down to set the speed. When you do, the set indicator and speed will appear. If you need to increase your set speed, push the stalk up and release it for a 1 mile per hour increment. Holding the stalk up will accelerate continuously to a desired speed. Release the stalk and the speed will set. To reduce the set speed, push down and release it for a 1 mile per hour increment decrease. Holding the stalk down will decelerate continuously. Release the stalk at your desired speed and the speed will set. If you wish to cancel cruise control, you can either pull the stalk towards you or tap the brakes. To resume to your previously set speed, push the stalk up when driving above 25 miles per hour.